What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Jake Gagain Show. My name is Jake Gagain, and thank you for joining me here today. We have an exciting episode because we're going to be talking about a few major things that had a huge impact on the crypto market and the FUD that we're seeing right now. And that is the Elon Musk tweets about whether cryptocurrency is sustainable, and Bitcoin in particular. And then we're also going to unpack the China ban of Bitcoin. Now, if you've been in the cryptocurrency for a little while, you understand this is probably the, 19th time that China has tried to ban Bitcoin, adding to the FUD, adding to the uncertainty. So we're going to unpack that in just a second. And then we have a special surprise tweet that we're going to laugh at that's actually kind of funny. So make sure to stay tuned to the very end for that coming up, guys. But before we get in, guys, do me a favor and smash that like button if you're still bullish on crypto. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and leave me a comment below, guys. I get back to all comments within 24 hours. So as I mentioned, guys, if you are like me and you are investing in cryptocurrency as of today, you have been getting smacked. So the market, the global crypto market as of right now is at 1.56 trillion. You know, the prices are staggering to me. I never thought that we would see these again. And as a bullish person on cryptocurrency, these are actually buying opportunities for me. Not financial advice. Do your own research. But I was actually happy. I was like, is this going to go up? Is Bitcoin going to go up to 100,000, 250,000? I'm not going to have a chance to stack it up. So seeing this actually, as crazy as it sounds, I'm actually not that mad because it gives me a chance to stack up more on some of my top projects that I'm bullish on, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance token, the Binance coin, and Polkadot is a project that I'm very, very bullish on. But let's get to the episode, guys. So first off, Elon Musk, guys, he tweeted this on May 12th, and that was when we saw the market start to go down. So Elon Musk said, Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. And then he went on to say that we will not be selling any Bitcoin at all. Now, I don't really know how I feel about this. It's like, look, the guy was the biggest endorser of Bitcoin. Him and his team came out. They put $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. They said they're going to accept Bitcoin. And then they reversed their stance a few months later after it hits an all-time high, sending Bitcoin down below close to $30,000, maybe even below $30,000. And do I think that he's the sole proprietor? No, I don't think he's the only reason, but he did have a major impact. It's like, Elon, why don't you do your research before investing $1.5 billion? Like, everybody knew that Bitcoin wasn't the cleanest source of energy, the most renewable source of energy, but they have made major changes and they're doing their job. And, you know, Elon Musk, he tweeted this after he went on SNL talking about Dogecoin, promoting Dogecoin for about an hour on SNL. So it's just very interesting to see him take his stance and change his stance. But let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think about Elon Musk changing his stance and tweeting that Tesla will no longer be accepting Bitcoin? I think it's very interesting. But back to the show, guys. So Elon tweeted this yesterday too. He said, any sufficiently advanced magic is indistinguishable from technology. And then someone tweeted, yo, Elon, what do you think about the peeps who are angry at you because of crypto? And then he now has he's still backing crypto, but he says the true battle is between fiat and crypto. On balance, I support the latter. So it's like he still is backing cryptocurrency. He still thinks it's a good thing. He's just not accepting Bitcoin. So I don't know. A lot of people are confused about Elon. I think he had a major impact on the market crash. It's like, look, man, you're a genius. You run 3 companies. You guys obviously have incredible researchers and developers. Like, you did not do your research on whether Bitcoin was a energy efficient cryptocurrency or not, a currency or not. So there's a lot of questions that I have with Elon. You know, it just, something doesn't feel right about it. And I don't know if it's just me. Maybe you guys feel it as well. But something just doesn't feel right about what he did. And it didn't feel right from when I saw that tweet. And then obviously the market going down. And then all the FUD that's coming out with the IRS. It's going to start taxing all transactions over 10,000. And China banning Bitcoin, which we just heard about recently. So let's get into that story now, because China just announced for the 9,000th time that they're going to be banning Bitcoin. So you can see here, this is a tweet from Joey Krug. Shout out to Joey Krug. But for those new to crypto, we're now mid-market cycle, which we are. We're at the point where China bans Bitcoin 3 times. Happens every cycle, 2013, 2017, 2021. And we're here right now, guys. Obviously, the price has reflected to the China ban, but this is not the first time that China has tried to ban Bitcoin. And CoinDesk posted this right here, guys. CoinDesk, a reputable source, guys, on May 18th, they said, no, China didn't just ban crypto, but 3 government-linked entities did just publish a notice reminding financial institutions that providing crypto services has been barred for years. And this goes in depth a little bit more on that article, and I'll break it down for you guys. So essentially what they said are 3 entities published a note Tuesday confirming bans originally implemented in 2013 and 2017 that bar financial payment institutions from providing any services related to cryptocurrency transactions, and saying that initial coin offerings remain illegal. Not newly illegal, guys. They remain illegal. These have been illegal. So you can see that is an article from them. But yeah, in 2013, China's central bank barred financial institutions from handling Bitcoin transactions, according to a notice from China's Secretary's Regulatory Commission. And then again in 2017, the central bank in China declared initial coin offerings as illegal, which caused Bitcoin's price to fall. So in 2013, guys, they barred financial institutions from handling Bitcoin. And then again in 2017, the central bank in China declared initial coins offering as illegal. So this is not new for anybody that's been in the cryptocurrency space for a while. It typically happens when the market's kind of coming down. We'll get some more fear, uncertainty, and doubt spread by the major governments because they're probably terrified of the capabilities of cryptocurrency. And I think the Elon Musk tweet, it really did. It catapulted all of this. It started to crash the market a little bit. Obviously, we were due for some sort of a correction, guys. Don't get me wrong. We were due for some sort of a correction. But Elon Musk tweeting what he did obviously had some sort of an impact. And I think China is taking advantage of it as well. So as someone that's been investing in cryptocurrency for quite some time, this does not scare me, guys. I have diamond hands. As I said at the beginning of this episode, it sounds crazy to say it, and I don't want to say it because I know people are losing money, but it's like, I'm glad that it did not take off to where it's going to be yet, because as a 25-year-old, I want to have more time to stack the projects that I'm super bullish on, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance, Omi, all these different projects. I want to stack the projects that I'm bullish on. And I honestly thought after Elon Musk and Tesla endorsing and Square and Twitter, I was like, yo, this thing is going to go to the moon. Like we're going to miss the chance to really stack. I thought it was going to go to 250,000 before the end of the year. So obviously, guys, we've seen what happened in 2013. We saw what happened in 2017. We saw what happened in 2020. And now we're seeing some sort of a correction in 2021, which it is due, guys. I mean, the Bitcoin was at $3,000 in March of 2020, up to $64,000 in March of 2021. So a correction was due. Am I still bullish on cryptocurrency in general? I'm very, very, very bullish on cryptocurrency. I think the future is very bright. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of FUD along the way. There's going to be a lot of rumors along the way. There's going to be a lot of articles saying why Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is non-renewable and it's a terrible resource. And that's for them to decide, and it's for you to understand what you believe in. But this is a funny tweet that I saw, guys, that just like, this just shows how people will try to manipulate. But here's a tweet that's actually pretty funny. It's from Pope Francis, guys. Pope Francis tweeted on May 19th at 5:30 a.m., "Technology based on the use of highly polluting fossil fuels needs to be replaced without delay. There is reason to hope that humanity at the dawn of the 21st century will be remembered for having generously shouldered its grave responsibilities." It's like, he has a good point. Like, we need to find resources that are renewable and not absolutely destroying the world. But at the same time, like, you know damn well that Pope Francis did not tweet this. Like, it's like, who's running his Twitter account? What message are they spreading? Who's actually behind this? I guarantee Pope Francis, he probably doesn't have an iPhone or a Twitter account in general. He definitely did not tweet this. So I'm like, who is actually tweeting this stuff, guys? Like, so we're going to see a lot of stuff. Even I'm pretty sure right now, guys, as of today, if I zoom out right here, yep, here it is. Like, even today, guys, look at this look at this. Look what's trending on Twitter. Financial Times. Here's why Bitcoin is a danger to the environment. So we're gonna be seeing a lot of FUD coming around, guys, in the next couple of days, and it's just part of the cycle, guys. The news, the media, the governments, they'll take advantage when there's a lot of fear, and then they'll just pump those with more rumors, more doubt, more uncertainty, as you're seeing from Pope Francis tweeting. Pope Francis tweeted this. Yeah, who's behind that tweet? That's my question. So those are the updates that I had, guys. Tesla, Elon Musk, Bitcoin, obviously he's not using it. Obviously he's a strong promoter of Dogecoin and maybe some other cryptocurrencies. We know he likes cryptocurrency. And then China bans Bitcoin for the 9,000th time. Let's see if it actually happens. Who knows? I don't see CZ Binance and the Binance team really worried about it, but we will see what happens, guys. So thank you for joining me today, guys. Obviously, look, important update about the market, how to get that out there, how to inform you guys the latest on these news. And do me a favor, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Twitter at Jake Gagain. Stay strong out there, guys. We will see you on the moon. Peace out, everybody.